guys. Ooh, the Raptors turned on. Raptors sounds nice. We went to the gun range today up in Okeechobee. It's about a 2-hour drive from here. We're gonna head out of here pretty soon, about 6 a.m. I think our schedule time is from like 9 to like 1. We might extend it or two. But yeah, so get the truck loaded up, everything's all set. Man, get his brake fixed. And like I said, we'll let you guys when we get there. Got Pierre here. What's going on, Pierre? Introduce yourself.
What up, what up, what up?
Got Zach, Julian. Got our cameraman, Shane. Shout out Shane Vlogs.
Yo.
Stan. And we got our range officer over there. So this is we're gonna start our day. Alright, so we're here. This is how we're gonna start off. We're gonna do 2 rounds from here at that target. Oh, the target fell over. This one right here. We're gonna have 2 rounds from here behind the barricade. And we're over here. 2 rounds this target, and then you'll finish the magazine into the steel. Shooter ready?
Shooter ready?
Go ahead.
Shooter ready? Go!
That was fun. All right.
He likes it too. Yeah.
Right here we got the my KP9 SPR running a Obsidian 45, and this thing runs. I got forgot what the brand of it was called, but it's the buffer back here, so we should be able to rapid fire this thing pretty nice with our finger, of course.
All right. Let's see her go, man.
Let's try it out. Let's see.
Shooter ready?
Ready?
Fire.
Shooters ready? Stand by. Targets. Ooh, that was
I think I heard his first though.
Yeah, I think Zach got it.
I think
Just by a
Zach got it.
millisecond.
Yeah.
Ready?
Wait, are we gonna move it up or we staying here?
Let's do it again. One more time. It was close. Yeah, it was close. Do it again.
Shooters ready? Stand by. Target. Zach winner. Move.
Oh. Zach, hold on. You got the level 2 or level 3 holster?
There's no retention.
Oh, I'm over here.
Yeah, exactly. That's why.
Yeah,
That's probably why.
Oh, you should have told me that. All right, we're good. Now let's make making sure. We're good.
Yeah. Fuck.
No, you're the same thing because I can just pull it out from here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So don't lock your retention. All right.
Shooters ready? Stand by. Targets.
Damn. You gotta do it again.
Shooters ready? Stand by. Targets. Zach.
What?
Whoa. Holy shit. What the hell?
Shooters ready? Stand by. Target.
Damn.
You guys want to do it again?
Yeah.
Can't run that shit, nigga.
Shooters ready? Stand by. Target.
Oh, I got stuck, damn it. I grabbed fucking the outside. You got me. Run it again, Homer.
All right, again, let's go.
Shooters ready? Stand by. Target.
That was close. You gotta do it again.
Stand by. Target.
Damn.
You got me. You got me.
It was a tie.
Yeah, take a video. Like, get both of us in it. Yeah, I got you.
Chris, I'm gonna get both of you.
Shooters ready? Stand by. Target. Target.
Damn it, I know what's going twice.
Target. 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 All right, first got that one.
All right, let's go again.
I got 1 round.
You better make this one count, Chief.
Hold on.
1 round can do a lot.
I got 2.
All right. Shooters ready? Stand by. Target. Target. Are you out?
I'm out.
You better throw something. Target.
John Wick, man.
Chris.
Oh!
There you go.
I feel a difference.
Yep, you feel the difference there.
Difference.
Yep.
Target.
Stand by. Target.
Woo!
Nice.
That was fun.